Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to change the ringtone in your Huawei P Smart Pro. To this operation, go to your settings here and check for the sounds here. Right here, and here you can choose the scene 1 ringtone. By choosing it, just choose the ringtone which you want to have in your phone. Of course, you can choose the ringtone for the SIM card too. Okay. You can choose the vibration on the ring. So when it's calling me on SIM 1, the phone is being vibrating. You can choose the sound for the notification here. Like this. And that's it of the choosing the sound of the three-way of your phone. There is the more sound of the keypad, screen lock, screenshot, screen touch, retract camera, vibrate on touch, startup sounds, and that's it for the sound for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!